Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam. Today's point is process of communication. यानी कि जो कम्युनिकेशन है उसका जो प्रोसेस है वो किस तरह से पूरा होता है और किस तरह से उसकी शुरुआत होती है, उस कम्युनिकेशन के प्रोसेस की हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे। लेकिन इससे पहले हम एक बार फिर से ये जान लेते हैं कि कम्युनिकेशन जो है वो क्या है। उसके बाद हम कम्युनिकेशन के प्रोसेस पे आएंगे, क्योंकि ये दोनों चीज़ें जो हैं वो इंटरलिंक्ड हैं। इसलिए एक बार फिर से कम्युनिकेशन को याद करना ज़रूरी है। द वर्ड कम्युनिकेशन हैज़ बीन derived from the Latin word communis, which means common. Thus, communication means sharing of ideas in common when we communicate. Says Wilbur Schramm, we are trying to establish a commonness with someone. That is, we are trying to share information, an idea, or an attitude. The essence of communication is getting the receiver and the sender turned together for a particular message. According to the shorter Oxford English Dictionary, communication means the imparting, conveying, or exchange of ideas, knowledge, etc., whether by speech, writing, or signs. Communication takes place when one person transfers information and understanding to another person. It refers to the exchange of ideas, feelings, emotions, knowledge, and information between two or more persons. There is a communication when you talk or listen to someone. For instance, a teacher, while delivering his lecture, communicates to his students, but if the speaker or writer in a language which is not understandable to his students, there is no communication. When you read a book, its author communicates to you, but communication does not mean merely written or oral messages. It includes everything that may be used to convey meanings from one person to another. Example, movement of lips, or the wink of an eye, or the wave of hands may convey more meaning than even written or spoken words. In fact, communication is the process of conveying message from one person to another so that they are understood. Communication is the intercourse by word, letters, or messages. Intercourse of thoughts or opinions. It is the act of making one's idea and opinions known to others. फ्रेड जी मेयर। इसके अलावा कम्युनिकेशन की और भी परिभाषाएं दी गई हैं। उसमें कहा गया है, अमेरिकन मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन ने क्या कहा है कम्युनिकेशन को लेकर, उसे देखते हैं। द अमेरिकन मैनेजमेंट एसोसिएशन सेज communication as any behavior that results is an exchange of meaning. थियो हेमैन, इन्होंने कहा है, simply stated, communication means and process of passing information and understanding from one person to another. Communication, fundamental and vital to all managerial functions, is the process of imparting ideas and making oneself understood by others. C.G. Brown. C.G. Brown has said the transfer of information from one person to another, whether or not it elicits confidence, but the information transferred must be understandable to the receiver. अब हम बात कर लेते हैं कम्युनिकेशन के प्रोसेस की. What is the process of communication? The communication process are following. The communicator first of all formulates a clear idea about facts, opinions, or information he wants to convey. Next is the idea is then translated by him into words, symbols, or some other forms of message which he expects the receiver to understand. This process is known as encoding of the message. Third point is the communication process. Third point is the communicator selects a suitable media for the transmission for the message, that is telephone, telegraph, or television. The message is conveyed with the help of the media selected. Next is the message is then received by the communicant. He tries to understand it by decoding the message. The communicant acts upon the message as he had understood it. Fifth point is the communicant acts upon the message as he has understood it. And sixth and last point is finally the effectiveness of communication is measured through feedback. If the communication brings in the desired changes in the actions or behavior of the receiver, it is said to be successful communication. In case there is no change in the actions or behavior, there is no communication, and if it leads to undesirable changes, it is a case of miscommunication. Thank you.